Welcome back to Aero Auto Defense, the place where we explore the future of aviation, automotive technology, and modern defense systems. If you are passionate about cutting-edge machines and the power behind them, make sure to subscribe and stay connected because today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most groundbreaking projects from Turkey, the Bayraktar Kızılelma, a jet-powered unmanned combat aerial vehicle that is rewriting the rules of modern warfare. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is developed by Baykar, the company already famous for the Bayraktar TB2 drone, which has proven itself in multiple conflicts. But unlike the TB2, Kizilelma is in a completely different category. This is not a slow propeller drone. This is a supersonic jet-powered unmanned aircraft designed to operate on the frontlines where speed, stealth, and heavy firepower are critical. It represents Turkey's ambition to join the League of Advanced Aerospace Powers, creating a combat platform that is not only cost-effective but also highly capable in contested environments. The aircraft is designed to have a maximum takeoff weight of around 6 tons, with the ability to carry up to 1.5 tons of weapons. This means it can deploy precision-guided munitions, air-to-air missiles, and standoff weapons, giving it flexibility to handle both air superiority and ground attack missions. The jet-like design features stealth characteristics with a reduced radar cross-section, making it harder for enemy defense systems to detect. Combined with advanced avionics and autonomous capabilities, Kizilelma is meant to fly into dangerous areas where traditional manned aircraft might be too vulnerable or too expensive to risk. One of the most impressive aspects is its compatibility with aircraft carriers. Turkey is planning to operate the Kizilelma from the TCG Anadolu, its new amphibious assault ship. This means the drone can take off and land on short runways, opening the possibility of naval operations far beyond Turkey's shores. For a country aiming to project power in the Mediterranean and beyond, this is a major advantage. The engine options also add to its flexibility. Initially, it is powered by a Ukrainian turbofan engine, but Turkey is developing indigenous engines to ensure self-sufficiency. The roadmap includes subsonic and later supersonic versions, with advanced networking features allowing multiple Kizilelma drones to work together as a loyal wingman to manned fighter jets, or even fly completely independently with artificial intelligence-driven mission control. Kizilelma is more than just a drone. It is a symbol of how quickly military technology is evolving. Where once drones were seen as small, slow, and limited, they are now entering the role of high-performance jets. This changes the balance of air power because unmanned systems can be produced in larger numbers at lower costs, and they remove the risk to human pilots in dangerous missions. In the coming years, the Bayraktar Kızılelma will likely redefine Turkey's defense capabilities and influence drone development around the world. It shows us that the future battlefield will be dominated by unmanned combat aircraft working side by side with manned platforms. Thank you for watching Aero Auto Defense. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on aviation, defense, and futuristic machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.